Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix every stuff that you have in your life. So let's open ifixit.com. Here we go. You can explore world of repair. So you can try your stuff. Maybe you had a broken stuff. You can try to type here, or you can explore by category here. And also never take broken for answer. You can get the instruction you need with quality repair parts and tools and expertise of robust community. Here you can shop, you can purchase, you can shop in this web. There's a community, maybe you can fix something, you can join the community. And this is the guide. You can find the guide here, and this is the category I mentioned before. You can search in here, or you can try to click one of your stuff. Maybe you want to repair your PC. Here you can click PC, for example. So let's a PC laptop, and then there is a laptop brand here that maybe you have. For example, you have a Dell laptop. Category let's try a Latitude series. Here try to search your laptop, for example this one, for example the Latitude 3000, and this is all the 3000 category. Let's try one. So this one, there's a troubleshooting here. For example, the laptop keyboard not working, the laptop battery draining fast. You can click it. So this one, there's a basic introduction. Is your Dell laptop battery draining? Blah blah blah. So this is the guide. Restart your computer, check your laptop power mode, adjust screen brightness, hard shutdown, battery diagnostic here. And even there's a cause about it, about cause of your laptop battery draining fast here. So feel free to try. Maybe this website can help everything that you have, especially in electronic or even vehicle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.